Hello everyone, welcome to this demo on Data Science and Generative AI program by Swhizz Technologies. My name is Srinivas and I will be your trainer throughout this data science and generative AI learning journey. I have over 18 years of IT industry experience across different domains and technologies. Academically, I have completed my MTech and PhD, making me a doctorate in the field of technology. Additionally, I am also a senior IT professional, trainer, researcher, and a published academic author with a passion for sharing knowledge and helping learners build successful careers. Whether you are a student, a job seeker, a working professional, or someone planning a career change, this session will help you understand how data science, artificial intelligence, and generative AI are creating exciting career opportunities across industries. In today's demo, we'll start with the basics of data science and understand what data is, what data science mean, and how companies use data to make better decisions. We will then explore the fundamentals of AI and generative AI, including popular technologies such as ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude AI. Next, we'll discuss why data science and generative AI are among the fastest growing career fields in 2026, the job opportunities available, and the salary trends in the industry. We will also learn about Python, the most popular programming language used in data science, AI, machine learning, and generative AI. I will then walk you through our complete learning roadmap from Python programming to data science, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. You will understand how each module builds your skills step by step and prepares you for real world projects and industry requirements. One most important advantage of this program is that you do not have to wait until the course is completed to start applying for jobs. As you complete each module, you gain valuable job ready skills and can start applying for relevant roles such as Python developer, data analyst, machine learning engineer, AI engineer, and generative AI engineer while continuing your learning journey. We will also look at the real time projects part of this program, the industry exposure you will receive, and how Swhizz Technologies helps learners become job ready professionals through hands on projects, expert mentorship, placement assistance, resume building, and mock interviews. Finally, I will explain the complete course roadmap, career growth opportunities, and why Swhizz Technologies is the right place to start your data science and AI journey. I hope this session gives you a clear understanding of the opportunities available in the data science, artificial intelligence, and generative AI, and how you can build a successful career in these exciting fields. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin today's demo and take the first step towards your data science and generative AI learning journey. Let's get started.